Jupiter's posi-stern hull pad design is engineered and built for comfort at speed. The flat planing surface of a Jupiter's keel provides more efficient hydrodynamic lift. That means, compared to a typical V-shaped hull, it rides higher in the water, resulting in less drag and higher top speeds. At lower speeds, it rides and handles the same as other V-hulls. Jupiter's the product of innovation, delivering an all-around smoother ride and greater performance, hands down.
The reason why a Jupiter rides as good as it does is because of the hull bottom design. Our posi-stern hull design is very unique hull design. We're one of the only ones in the industry that do that. It provides the boat a very stable, forward-moving product, very predictable in a quartering sea, gives a lot of lift, but it allows the boat, in the event you need to move out of the way, make a sharp turn, the boat will not skip, it stays on track, almost like you're on railroad tracks.